Just listen to Prime Minister.
Our session. We are opposition leaders. We are the government. The government on one side, we are on this other side. You need to respect the opposition. We are not destructive people.
It is respected, Mheshimiwa. It's only that it's not timely.
Are our supporters.
It's not timely.
We want to just protect.
What is the best time to come?
What's the best time to come?
What is the best time to come, Joseph?
Until I complete the operation.
When are you concluding
The
the
timeline,
operation?
my timeline is yet to go.
When do you anticipate you'll conclude there? Because we will come back. There's no problem.
Hopefully
Now,
next
Afande, let me ask you. I'm the area member of parliament. This is a governor, Machakos.
week. No problem.
This is
You came yourself as an area of
But you
the
see,
parliament.
even
But you see the kind of the reaction that was there against you.
Just let him answer one question.
Yeah.
When do we anticipate that this process will go?
Probably leave it until next week.
Next week.
Yes.
No, but we are allowed as civilians to go and see. We are not interfering with
The
the
time
work
to see
going
is
on.
not yet. The operation is
we
still
are
going
not
on. A lot of
interfering.
activities are going on there.
We are not interfering with the whatever they are doing. But we are entitled
It's
to
a
go
direct
and see.
interference because who are you going to
Because
see?
we want
You are
to-
seeing the person who is removing his own belongings,
want
telling him to stop. Come and hear what he wants to say.
No. That's not what we are here to do.
That's
We
exactly
want
what
to
we are
talk
going
to the country about what is going on here. And we are not allowed to stop us. Because it is not a government operation.
This is not a context between the government. It's not a context between the government and the opposition. This is just a simple thing. If I confused him as the area MP and you as the council and now as you as the governor, it just seems same status.
Joseph, it's fine.
I
think what we can do.
Thank you.
Joseph, just 1 minute. Don't go away. Don't run away from us.
You have
We are
concluded.
just talking.